9 Best Digital Marketing Strategies Any Small Business Can Execute. Marketing a small business isn't easy. It's actually hard. Which is why most people struggle to reach the right audience, no matter what strategies they use. If this sounds like you, you're in the right place. But this video doesn't focus on every marketing strategy under the sun. What it focuses on instead are proven strategies that work. Strategies that drive traffic to your store and increase revenue for your small business. The best part? You can carry out many of these strategies today and start seeing results, fast. This video will walk you through the top, most successful marketing strategies and examples to date, with tips on how to apply them. Before we continue to discuss the most successful digital marketing strategies to implement in any small business, please kindly subscribe to our channel, so you will get the latest updated video content from us. 1. SMS Marketing. SMS marketing is one of the fastest ways to reach customers and drive sales. 90% of texts are opened and read, compared to 20% to 30% off emails. It takes 5 minutes to set up a campaign. And at roughly 0.01 cents per message sent, it's an affordable way to connect with your customer base. 2. SEO. The majority of your store's online traffic will come from search engines like Google. According to Wolfgang Digital, online businesses should expect 35% of total traffic and 33% of revenue to come from search engine results pages. Although this marketing strategy takes time, it'll become cheaper to acquire customers through search versus paid advertising, which levels out the costs. 3. Email Marketing. Email marketing refers to sending marketing messages to potential and current customers to sell, educate, and build affinity. Email is an owned marketing channel, which means you control the content and distribution. It's become one of the most cost-effective and conversion-rich ways to market an e-commerce store today, with an average return of $42 for every dollar spent. 4. Influencer Marketing. Influencer marketing is one of the best ways to market your brand and build awareness online. It involves partnering with creators who align with your brand messaging, and promoting products through their channels. Influencers generate higher user engagement than branded content. The average engagement rate with influencers is around 5.7%, roughly 2x higher than content brands publish themselves on Instagram. According to MediaKicks's recent influencer marketing survey, the top 5 influencer marketing channels are TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, blog, and Twitter. 5. Affiliate Marketing. Affiliate marketing is an advertising strategy in which a business pays another business or person, aka an affiliate, to generate leads and sales. Affiliates are often paid commission fees to encourage them to find ways to promote the company and its products. It's a fast way to reach target customers and make sales, with nearly 15% of all digital media industry revenue coming from affiliate marketing. Similar to influencer marketing, affiliates will refer to your products by sharing it on their blogs, social media platforms, website, etc. The affiliate earns money each time someone makes a purchase or signs up for something through their unique link. 6. Podcast. People are listening to more podcasts every week. A survey by Edison Research revealed that the number of people in the US listening to podcasts increased 175% over the last 5 years, with nearly 90 million people listening to a podcast each month. Running a podcast could be a great way to reach your audience and expand your business. You don't need to be a technical person to create one, nor does it take a heavy upfront investment. But it can take a while to build traction. 7. Social media marketing. Social media marketing is one of the best marketing strategies for small businesses. It involves using social networks to promote and sell your products, services, and brand. Brands can use both unpaid, organic, and paid social media marketing tactics to increase online sales and generate awareness. 8. Google Ads. Google Ads is the most misunderstood channel for marketing an online business. You can set flexible budgets as low as $5. Pay only when someone clicks on your ad. Target specific audiences based on behaviors and past actions. But what makes Google Ads attractive is the ad types you can use to reach customers. 9. Content marketing. Business owners understand the importance of creating a strong online presence. They create brilliant online stores, invest in ads, and develop email sequences to attract customers. But look at their content strategy and you'll notice most have nothing. This is a missed opportunity for online businesses, especially in niche markets where content is poorly done and under-optimized. Brands that stand out today are those that are becoming creators and producers and finding new ways to approach content and engage with their audience. Thank you for watching till the end. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon to get our new videos' latest update. If you like our video, like, comment, and share it with your friends or family. Thank you.